Hello everyone, welcome back to Dynokids. I hope all of you are doing great. So in today's video, I'll share a DIY visual discrimination worksheet. Once the child is familiar with the basic shapes, then you can include this worksheet to enhance visual perception of the child. This worksheet also helps in building logical thinking of the child. So for this, I have drawn some basic shapes here and colored these shapes in yellow, blue and orange. I am using only 3 colors in the complete worksheet, and I recommend you also not to use more than 3 colors. Now the child should match the identical patterns here. For example, here ask the child to find this pattern in this column and then match it like this. Same for the next pattern, help him to do it again. Where is this pattern? Here it is, and then ask him to match both the patterns. Repeat this for the next as well, like where is this pattern? Is this one the same pattern? No. This one? Yes. Now match them. So in the same way, child should match the remaining ones. Help the child to complete this worksheet. And now let's see how Amish is doing this visual discrimination worksheet. Can you match these patterns? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So can you start matching with the first one?
Yes.
That's nice. Now match the next one. If you find this video helpful, then please like, and if you tried this worksheet with your child, then please share your feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.